Hey everyone, Paul here from the How to Make Noise channel. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about spooky vocals. So, you might be wondering, this is a noise channel. Why are we talking about vocals? Well, you might find in order to be a successful noise artist, you cannot literally be a successful noise artist. So, let's get started with vocals. First, let's start with some clean vocals. How about that? So, for noise, you're going to want to try to sound scary. So, like a deep pitch is good, sort of a witchy voice is good. I'm personally going to go for more of a baritone, sort of spooky tone, like if Johnny Cash was like 20 years older at the end of his life. So I'm going to be singing to a Crowhurst song. So let's get started. I think you can hear that pretty well. All right, so that was, so again, that was Crowhurst, Self-Portrait with Halo, something like that. Cool, so now we got the clean vocals, now we got dirty vocals, aka harsh vocals. So there's many ways to do harsh vocals. You can exhale, you can inhale. I'm gonna inhale because, again, this is noise, so you wanna make as chaotic of sounds as possible. Chaotic, annoying, visceral, sort of yucky, sort of nails on a chalkboard, but worse. All right. This one we call the steam wand. Pretty cool, huh? So thank you for watching. My name is Paul of the How to Make Noise channel. Remember to subscribe. Remember to hit that bell icon so you get to know when my videos go up. And the Patreon's not set up. I'll get it set up. Well, everyone, please leave